ke Dr. Ampareen Lingdo, MLA ke East Shillong, kepala syabe asing nak ke Kongres, kalaong ba ke parti kadan hapedeng ke klumar jingmut, wat hapedeng ke election jied President ke All India Congress Committee ke badang sudepsyen. Kalaong ba wat Dr. Shashi Tharoor, belai aireng hakete ke election, bersyara mau Malik Arjun Kharke, ulah kerau ba kadan ke jingbom merti agar kompenya yagi election. Kalaong ba kani ke penskam ba wat makahi ke badang dan ke Kongres, ban kuaya nyo syakmat, bat amdan lat donalti da ke waipat, bat habban mino. Har ke jingile man penghi em Kongres dak tay election kalaong ba kami isa tiay kata pakalong kay ke badu jingkermen.
Watching the presidential election of the Congress, and we were also trying to understand the modalities involved, the way that the entire election was conducted. I don't know. I mean, I would feel that if a very senior congressman like Shashi Tharoor ji sees that there has been some deviation from the prescribed norm, then I would go with Shashi Tharoor ji, because I happen to know him personally, individually. But it's very sad to see that again this controversy rises. I mean, the way it's being handled is what worries me the most. I wish they would have handled it a little more elegantly. At the moment, when you watch all the national news channels, it is the headline of the moment. And this headline is not going to go well in favor of the Congress. This is what is happening. I don't know. I would have associated immediately with a person like Shashi Tharoor ji. However, even though I would have been a delegate because of my suspension, I could not go and cast a vote also this time. See, we were all expecting that there would be, this general, a feeling that there would be a general revamping of the Congress from top. But I don't know, now when you look at what's being discussed in the news, how much of it is true, how much of it is false, but it just boils down to a single line. Looks like we are crashing down further. Looks that way. And whether that is good for the image of the Congress at this point of time, definitely we cannot say, yes, it is a good image. Because if this is what is being said is happening, follow the news carefully. You will see that there seems to be some confusion even in that presidential election. So for people like us who are still in the Congress, we get reconfirmed that maybe it's time to move on. Maybe there is no other way out. Maybe we have no other option. As much as we love the Congress, as much as we respect the Congress for its ideologies, but when these kinds of controversies come to the forefront, then we who are already one leg outside would like to leave gracefully while the going is good. Sad, but it is a fact. It is a fact. And I don't know, because I may not be such an important person in the Congress party. To be honest with you, I don't know this other candidate. Well, even if the procedure in which the revamping was done is now being questioned and scrutinized, then you have to worry. You have to worry whether we will still have that ground to revamp anything. Because I see more and more seniors are going away, and it is very disheartening, it is very depressing. And I think that a lot more has to be done to see that revamping take shape on the ground. Right now, I don't see it happening. I don't foresee it happening in the immediate future. So really, I really don't know, but it is very unfortunate.